Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're going to talk about credit, ladies and gentlemen. You guys know I'm rocking with Smart Credit. This is a once a month video because there's still a lot of people that do not understand credit monitoring systems. And if you do understand credit monitoring systems, how many of them give you identity theft insurance? How many of them give you your scores, all three scores, and including your hiring index, and including your insurance score as well? And how about being able to send letters to your creditors, all in the software suite? Just for starters, we got to get into it. Please stay tuned and welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here once again. And please share the videos. You never know who you're going to be able to help. Now, let's get into it. In this case, it's regarding credit. You may know people who are in trouble with their credit, but what better way to get yourself established and possibly some things worked out with the creditors and the credit bureaus? All of this can help you under the Smart Credit regime. Now, before we get into it any further, I'm actually going to show you a video just so you understand what's going on. So please check it out now.
Smart Credit is a fast, simple solution to a better credit score, more online privacy, and greater control of your money. Did you know the average person can add 97 points to their credit score but aren't aware of it? They don't even know how to get these points. Our average member adds 61 points in just 20 days using Smart Credit. That could save you $10,000 in interest on a car loan and over $100,000 in the life of the average mortgage loan. And Smart Credit is the only credit management system that gives you a spending and payment plan to help you add more points to your credit score. And if you already have a good credit score, this feature shows you how spending could affect your score and how to prevent losing these hard-earned points. Plus, we don't just show your credit score and provide alerts, we're the only ones to give you a personalized plan with action buttons to add points. Our patented action buttons allow you to communicate directly with your creditors and even your financial institutions to dispute errors, ID fraud, and more. No more mailing letters and no more long hold times. We also help protect you and your loved ones. Our $1 million whole family fraud and scam insurance covers your entire family in your household at a much lower cost than the competition. And by the way, have you Googled your name lately? You may be shocked by how many websites expose and sell your private information. Use Privacy Master to easily request the removal of your information to stop these sites from selling it permanently, all with the push of a button. Another way we beat the competition, our Money Manager feature finds your bank accounts so you can link them without searching. We also have instant statements and action buttons to ask questions, fix problems, and reverse unrecognized credit card charges directly with your financial institutions. Smart Credit. It only takes 1 minute to enroll. Get started today.
All right, let me know what you think. this early down below in the comment section if you think it can help you. Now, let's get to this YouTube channel streets where we're going to show you the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. The reason why is because they are kind enough to show members, our members. Here's a few members over here on the right hand side. And I thank you, members, because you're actually helping the channel financially. And if you'd like to become a member of the channel, there's a join button over here on the right hand side. And under the community tab, members receive special messages, 1 or 2 videos per month. They also can join me on any live stream that I ever do. They also are the only ones that can be in the chat room on the Wednesday night live streams. Everybody can be in the chat room on all the other live streams, but Wednesday night, only members with the icon next to their name can be here in the chat room. Now, without further ado, let's get into this section here that we need to get into, and that is our smart credit. All right, here we go. Smart credit. This is a little bit different screen. I'm not going to go into the back end where the software is because the video actually showed what's in the back end. I'm going to give you the promo. Again, the link is down below to join Smart Credit, and we have a special link that'll give you a discount using our link. Control your credit future, or control your future credit score. Join over 4 million people. And the reason why they show a bank account is you'll find out shortly, because you can actually track all your bank accounts. Also goes into Smart Credit, so you know exactly where you stand just by simply being logged into your Smart Credit account. Look here. Take one-click actions with 60,000 plus creditors to submit inquiries on items negatively impacting your score. Again, this is what I was referring to. They have letters that you could submit in the software to help you out. Optimize your payments. Optimize your payments mean a lot of people may not understand reporting date and a pay by date gets you a possibility of your credit being plus and sometimes negative. And if you pay at a certain date or before a certain date, you can increase your credit score, whether it's 6 points, 3 points, 2 points, 5 points. The fact of the matter is, optimize your payments is a feature of Smart Credit in the back office. Once again, looking out for you. Save money on offers. That's also true because credit cards and loans, you'll be getting offers 24/7 monitoring and alerts just in case somebody does some fraud. Remember, you and your family members that live in the same house are all covered, even though only one person has Smart Credit monitoring system. It's that simple. Once again, achieve your ideal score, qualify for lower rates, save thousands or more over the life of your loan, because if your credit is better, then anything you borrow, you generally are going to have a lower interest rate. So that means you can save money over time, continue building your score to access even lower rates in the future. That is what this is for. Privacy. Once again, $1 million fraud insurance protection for the entire household. Again, everybody has to be at the same address on their credit file. So that's your household. Once again, they give you an idea of when you pay on time. Look, plus 28, that references if you pay this off in 8 days, plus 28 credit score. That's how simple this does, how this works for you. Credit, auto, hiring risk, and insurance score tracking all in one. You get the premium account that gets you all of that we just showed here. Now, remember those money accounts that I was referring to? It keeps track of your cash, your credit, your payments due, your recent transactions, all in your Smart Credit suite. Don't need to see what others are saying, but it is beautiful and it's awesome to see. And we're going to go to smartcredit.com just so you can see what their website looks like, because this is where the link is below is going to take you. And again, control your future credit score. It's pretty basic. There's no surprises here. Score tracker, score builder, score boost, all under this platform. Once again, remember we were talking about the hiring index, the insurance score, your auto score, credit score. It tracks all 4 of them. Again, you need the premium tracker. Score Builder, your personal plan, so you can actually put in your goal on what you need to do with your credit score. If you want to get to a 780 credit score, you can put this in. It'll tell you the problems and how you can proceed to get there and how much debt you have to pay down and so forth and so on. This is a beautiful piece of software on the back end. Timing, payments, monitoring, spending, all there for you, and no need to go what other members think. Now, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to go into this any much more because this is relatively simple for everybody to understand. It's a credit monitoring system for you, and it keeps track of all your financial information pretty much that's going to affect your credit score. And they give you tools to make sure that your credit score is at its peak by being able to send out letters. And it's not just any letters, it could cover a lot of things. So check it out, ladies and gentlemen. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And I know 60% of the population lives paycheck to paycheck. 73% of millennials live paycheck to paycheck. So it's not that easy to stay above board, especially if you have debt. And we have debt here in America because it's all-time record high, $1 trillion for credit card debt alone. So that ought to tell you right there, there's a lot of people that need to reduce their debt and possibly get out of debt. And this can help you. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.